To organize your photos, you can use Google Photos, Amazon Photos, or Apple Photos. In this video, we'll demonstrate using Google Photos. First, open your web browser and navigate to photos.google.com. Then, proceed to the Albums section. Create a new album and give it a name that best describes its contents. To upload a photo, simply drag and drop the desired photo into the album or click the Upload button to select the photo from your device. Once the upload is complete, your album is ready to be shared publicly. However, it's important to share your album only with trusted individuals or people you know. To do this, click on the Share button and generate a shareable link. You can then send this link to your selected audience via email, messaging apps, or social media platforms. Now, you're ready to share your album with the world. For instructions on how to perform these tasks using the mobile app, please watch next video.